Hello, and welcome to this video where I will be explaining how to add Google Tag Manager to your Weebly website in 2020. So Weebly kind of changed their whole process for adding header and footer codes to your website. So I'm gonna be kind of updating some of the information that's out there because I know when my client was looking, they were finding some outdated info. So that's one reason they came to me and why I'm going to be making this video. So Google Tag Manager is awesome because it can help you manage multiple script tags into one, so you don't have to have a whole bunch of scripts that are slowing your website down. I have gone ahead and made a Google Tag Manager for my Weebly website. So all you do is create an account and then start getting your URL set up. So once you're in there, they're going to give you an admin, and then you go to install Google Tag Manager. They'll give you two pieces of code that you need to install on your website. So Weebly makes the first piece of code really easy. That's the head tag. So I'm going to go ahead, copy the head tag. And then in Weebly, I've already gone ahead and clicked on edit my website inside of the Weebly backend. So now I'm inside of the website editor. So I just go to settings, SEO, and then right here I already have it pasted, but go ahead, paste it again, and the header code. And then you just click save. Awesome. I'm going to go back to Google Tag Manager. And this piece of code we need to add into the first body tag that happens on every page. So how we're going to do that is we're going to go to Weebly, we're going to click on Theme, and then we're going to click on Edit HTML and CSS. So this is going to start editing the actual code for your theme and kind of how your theme is built. So we can do this through the header type functionality. So we're going to click on, and this is going to change per theme, but this is one of the general basic themes inside of Weebly. And most themes are going to be built like this. So they're going to have a header, and you should be able to do this inside of the header. So you go to the header, and then you find the first body tag, which is going to be this first piece of text that says body, and then I hit enter, and then I'm going to paste this Google Tag Manager no script. Since I have two different headers for this website, I'm going to make sure that I do this on both of the headers, just so I'm ensuring that Google Tag Manager is going to work on every single page on the website. So then I click save. Cool. And then I should be able to hit cancel. Oops, that's not what I want. I'm just going to hit the back button a couple times. This should get me back to the back end here. Sometimes this code editor gets a little stuck. That's all good. We all get a little stuck sometimes. Cool, so we saved those changes to the code, and then I'm going to go ahead and click publish. This is going to publish those changes I made. So then I'm going to the front end version of the website, and I have the Google Tag Manager Assistant here, and that is helping me analyze the tags here. So we're seeing this is an extra Google Analytics tag that I added at an earlier time as a test. That is not the one we are working with right now. We're just working with this Google Analytics, which is inside of my Google Tag Manager, and then we have this Google Tag Manager. So it's saying the script is not found. I'm going to go back to Weebly, and it seems like this thing is still kind of goofing around. Seems like it did not save actually. So hopefully we can get this loaded up, and I'm just going to make sure I have the right script. Paste it, and then hit save. Cool. And then I'll hit publish. That time it should have worked because it closed out right away. Go back to Weebly. Refresh here. And then the tag says green. Google Tag Manager. Awesome. And then we have the Google Analytics. This is generally going to say non-standard because it is going through Google Tag Manager. It's not directly implemented, so the Tag Manager kind of reads it like that. And I'm going to choose to leave in kind of, my mistake of not saving the Weebly, because that's a mistake that a lot of people might make, is the Weebly editor is kind of, with the code, kind of can be weird. So if you run into that error, just make sure you go back into Weebly and verify that you set everything up right, and it should just work perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, please like the video, and yeah, follow along if you want more content like this. On my website, I have an article that explains everything I explained here, and I'll leave it in the description. You can check it out. Thanks for watching.